Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new and have not yet subscribed, guys, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell. You can also like, share, and comment on this video. Alright, today, guys, we will be making Guyanese cheese roll. Now this is a crowd pleaser. It is super quick, easy, and delicious. So let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of our ingredients, and they will be in the description box. I have some flour, I have mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, and some smoked Gouda, garlic, butter, some shortening, salt, sugar, some pepper. So to my food processor, I'm adding some salt, some sugar, and I'll pulse this a little bit to ensure everything is combined. Looks good. So now I'll be adding the butter. Actually, I just added the shortening and now I'll be adding the butter. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Now we'll add our cold water and pull everything together in a nice clean bowl. And again, the list and the measurement for this fabulous pastry will be in the description box. Alright, so now we pull our dough together. I'll go ahead and divide this into 2 pieces. Individually wrap it with saran wrap and place it in a refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So now to do our cheese, I'm using my same food processor and I'm shredding all my cheeses here. As I mentioned, I'm doing sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, and a little bit of smoked Gruyere cheese. Just added some garlic, that is minced garlic, and some pepper, that is hot pepper. I mean, it's optional, you don't have to use hot pepper. I did add a little bit of fresh parsley. I love the color and the flavor. So now we use a parchment paper, or if you have a non-stick baking pan, that is just fine. So we'll go ahead and roll this out. Then we'll trim the edges, make it nice and neat. And I'm doing mine really not too big, but I don't like my pastry very tiny. I hate tiny pastries since I love them so much. Alright, but you can cut it out to your desired sizes. Do not overfill your pastry because it is going to leak. So we use our egg wash and we'll apply that to the edges of the pastry, and this is to seal the pastries. I mean, if the filling leaks, I mean, that's okay once it's not too much so all the filling escape. So we're going to fold this really nice and neat and tight. Then we take a fork, push the edges down, and make our little design on the top. And then we'll apply some egg wash right over the top when this is done. Looks amazing. And there is our golden, delicious Guyanese cheese roll. Best recipe ever. Looks amazing, tastes amazing. So guys, I hope you really try this one. You will love it. And you let this bake for about 15 minutes. And it should be done on a 350 degrees oven. Alright, thank you again so much for spending the time with me. Do not forget to subscribe and share. Enjoy. Bye-bye.